How's everyone doing on this cold Saturday afternoon? My name's Andy and welcome to Scrapping a Bit of Everything. I've got this gas modulating valve. It's a Honeywell. I don't know if that's the model number there. I'll just try and get up a bit closer here to see. You can read that. We're going to see what's inside one of these. I've never scrapped one of these out, so we're going to take a look at what's inside one. Let's just get the top bit first. Screw. There should be, from what I've looked up on and what I've seen, some of the older ones had some cast with some kind of, unscrew this with my fingers to test that. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's brass or stainless, but we will test it. So obviously some cast with a some kind of seal underneath. I can take that off with my fingers. Just let me get my screwdriver. Let me get this out this way. So like we'll come back to that in a minute. We'll carry on taking the rest of this apart. There we go. Some kind of wiring in here. A screw what did not want to come out. Just put that there. Take a look what's on here. We've obviously got some brass connectors. You can see properly there. Some brass connectors with some singles on. Just pull these off. I'll show you. Just pull that nice brass one off there. As you can see, it's a nice brass contact. I'm presuming these will be as well. We'll just take a little look-see. Just open this up. Yeah, it's another brass connector. I will be getting the brass off that, that's for sure. As you may see, I've put some shelves up and I'll get to more of that later on. It's just another screw there. Right, some top screws here. That's a hex one now. Just take these out. It's a lot of interesting parts on this. Like I've never, obviously, like I said, I've never opened one. I'll talk on a part, should I say? So any of this come off. That's plastic. We don't need that. That's more plastic. Some kind of, obviously pushes in. There's like a valve in this, I think. So obviously smell it to see if we could smell anything. Not gas, of course, there's no gas in it. There's some bottom screws, yes. Get these open. Let's quickly get these out. It's not a nice day here in England. It's raining, it's cold. Right, see where I can get this off. Not all my tools are in place, so I've been tidying up, you see. use that flathead. Oh yeah, what's this? I can see some nice copper there, some brass of course. Let me get this undone. I'll have them to put it in the vise. Oh, I dropped that down. So it's like some like little spring thing. Probably to do with the valve. There's a little copper coil on that there, you can see. Better look, there's obviously some brass there. Right, we'll tidy all this up. What else is in here? There's another sort of screw. There's another screw inside there, you can see, right there. Get on it. Oh, here we go. There you are. There you go. Outie. Right, let's take this off. What the hell is it? Ooh. A little thing there. Oh, that is. What is it? Say, oh, look at all this. That's a spring. There's a spring there. And we're going to need my hammer just to whack this off. Yeah. Nice. I'm going to get that off. You get this off. Clean this up. You can clean that up. What else? Anything else come off it? So if we have a screw there holding something. Right there. Ah. There's a spring. Put that there. What else have we got? We've got like some kind of like rod there. I don't know if I can get this out. Like it's something I've not unscrewed. I can see like this little valve here. Yeah, that's this. It's a brass. I'm not sure if this is brass, I'll show you properly. Looks like a little brass screw, but we can check that. That's out. We'll check all of this. Now, can I knock bang that out? Or will it not come out? There's some like white plastic inside that, right inside here. You can see properly. It's right down there. Right, I'm going to try something. Just going to try and lightly tap it out. Nah, it's not going to work. Nope, maybe not. Right, let's see what else. Seems to be like, I'm just like looking at it, like, sorry, I'm not showing you, so I'm just trying to figure out what this is here. I can't see nothing what's, let's try something, let's try this. There we go. Plate there. Something underneath this. Oh, it's like a rubber thing in this. What's in it? Can't see. Small stuff. I'll show you everything anyway. So that's out. What's remaining is this in here. I'm just trying to figure out how to get it out. Strange. We'll pull it out. Right. I'm going to have a quick brainstorm, see if we can figure this out. Be back to you right soon. So brainstorming over, I've figured it out. It's just this little piece of steel, or stainless steel. We'll test all that, what was holding it. Well, hopefully this should come out. Yeah, got it out. It's just this piece of brass to get off. So we'll put all that to this one side. I'm just figuring out how to... Now this looks like a big Allen key. I'm going to see if this fits. And clearly it doesn't, it's too small. Now I do have a big Allen key, but I can't remember where I've put it. So what I might have to do is just grind this brass nut off, or ring, and then we can try and unscrew it with the adjustable. So I'm going to get my grinder and we'll get back. I'd done the grinding off camera. Unfortunately it got stuck. I couldn't get anything to grip this off, so I know that I can have a cut down here and down there, and then I can bang it out with a chisel. We did get the brass. We did get the brass off. Still there. We got this off as well, which has got a copper coil on, some more brass, another copper like ring around it. Now this has got some kind of like resin in, but I think that is copper inside there, so that's going to be after another off-camera job. But other than that, I've got some brass dust there. Obviously we've got some bit of aluminium, stainless steel, more stainless steel there. That has got a bit of metal on, and it's got a bit of, looks like brass to me. So we can clean all that up, obviously. A nice sheet of aluminium there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one coming soon. Thanks for watching.